Some companies, they'll overcharge and not get the job done, and that's not how we roll. We get it done, make sure our customers are 100% satisfied. So one thing I did notice is that other HVAC companies get the money, get the deposit, or do the job halfway, or they'll just kind of drop the ball. Whatever happens, I'm never gonna drop the ball. I will definitely get the job done. After we seen other contractors overcharge and under-deliver, we knew that there was a better way. So when we started out, we kind of started out small just to make ends meet, but now we're committed to our community. We want to give back to our community and just make sure that the community has an HVAC contractor that they can trust. We're not about just fixing things, we're here to help other people. So reach out to us. You can either give us a call or visit our website at northwestexpertheating.com.